Hello everyone, and today I come with this tricky question which is asked in Harvard Institute entrance exam. So if you have already solved this question, comment your answer. I will give them heart. Okay. And for those who don't understand this question, I will solve them for and in a step-by-step approach method. So you don't miss any step. Keep watching till the end. So our question is AB is equal to 100 BC, which equals to 200, and CA, which equals to 300. Now what will be the A plus B plus C? So first we will write AB, which is 100, as equation 1. Similarly BC, which equals to 200, we write it as assume as equation 2. Question CA, which is 300, we will assume as equation 3. So to get the A square, what we have to do? We have to simply eliminate all the other parts. Okay, now for this, equation 1 into, when we multiply equation 1 into 3 divided by 2, what will be the answer? 1, which is AB. Okay, AB into 3, which is CA. CA divided by 2, that is BC. BC. B, B, C, C. So what we will get? A square. So we will do the same, but for this values. So A square will become what? 1 into 3, that means 100, into 3, 300 divided by 200. So 100 to 150. So here A square, which is 150. Okay, remember as A. Now similarly to get B square, what we will do? B should be in the numerator, so we will multiply 1 and 2 and divide it with 3. 1 into 2 divided by 3. So what will we get? AB into BC divided by CA. C, A, which is B square. Now for the values, 100 and 200 divided by 300. 1, 3. We'll simply write like 200 divided by 3, and this will be B square is equal to 200 divided by 3. We will take it as equation B. Okay. In the next step, for the value of C square, what we have to do? For C square, we have to simply, in the last equation, as we know, there will be C in the numerator. So C 2 into 3 divided by 1. Okay. So C should be 2 into 3 divided by 1, and equation 2 is BC into CA divided by AB. So A, B will be cancelled out, and C square with the value. So for values, we have to write like 200 into 300 divided by 100. or this is 600. So what we have, we get c square is equal to 600. We will take it as equation C. Okay. Now what we have? We have a square which is 150, b square which have 200 by 3, and c square we have 600. So let's find a plus b plus c times whole square. So value is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now we have the values for a square, b square, c square, and also ab, bc, ca. We will simply put it. A square we will write 150. For b square we will write 200 by 3, and c square we will write 600 plus 2 into ab which is 100, ab which is 100, and similarly bc which have values 200 and ca which have values 300. We will solve. This will be so 150 plus 200 by 3 plus 600 plus 2 times 300, 200 and 100, which will be 600. Okay. So now this all for the value of a plus b plus c whole square. This is the whole value. So in the next part we will add all this number. So we will take LCM as 3 and we will multiply all this. Now question is 150 into 3 plus 200 plus 600 into 3 plus 6 into 600. Why 600? Because 2 into 3, this will be 6 divided by 3, which is a plus b plus c times whole square. Now 450 plus 200 plus 1800 plus 3600 divided by 3, which is a plus b plus c the whole square. So when we add all this, what we will get? Okay, align this. 0, 5, 4, 8, 8 is 16, that is 0 and 6. So here 6, 0, 5, 0 divided by 3, which is a plus b plus c times whole square. Now when we remove this square, the other side we have to put the under root value. So abc will be root over of plus minus 6050 divided by 3. So for this 6050, 2 times 3025 is 5 605. Now what will be the 5? 1 2. Okay, we will solve in the next. 605 5 1 2 1, and this is 11 times. So 6050, which is what? 2 into 5 into 5 into 11 into 11. 2 into 5 into 5 into 11 into 11. Now we will write it as plus minus 2 into 5 square into 11 divided by 3. This will be whole. Okay, so plus minus root over 2 into 5 square into 11 square divided by root 3, or what we will write, root 2 plus minus into 5 square into root 11 square divided by root 3. So what we get, this both will become 11 into 5 into root 2 divided by root 3, or 55 root 2 divided by root 3. इसलिए a plus b plus c, which is 555 root over 2 by root over 3. In the next step, what you have, plus minus 55 root over root 2 by root 3 . So our final answer is that subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.